cough, cold, and Coryza. Here are some key indications of Bryonia and Gelsemium. Bryonia alba, catarrh and Coryza with fever and much sneezing, especially in the morning. Inflammation of the throat and larynx, hoarseness, dry cough, shortness of breath, stitching pain in the chest, pain in the forehead and cheeks. Gelsemium sempervirens, influenza with much fever, congestion to the head, watery discharge from the nose, feeling of rawness and soreness in the throat and chest. Comment for doses and potency.